Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. BJP will turn Delhi into UP. ATC Alex outage in city. Outgoing Delhi Chief Minister ATC on Thursday said within 3 days of AAP losing its hold in the national capital, the city has been facing power cuts. The senior AAP leader said BJP wants to turn Delhi into Uttar Pradesh, a city known for its long power outages. No immediate reaction was immediately available from the BJP. Addressing a press conference, Atisi claimed that within 3 days of outside of power in Delhi, more than 40 outages were reported from different areas of the city, and people have now started buying inverters. Under the UP government, the power sector was continuously monitored, which has now collapsed within 3 days. With the BJP coming to power, she charged the BJP does not know how to rule and it would create a situation of long power outage in Delhi like Uttar Pradesh, she alleged. Meanwhile, previously, after UP's loss in the Delhi Assembly elections, caretaker Chief Minister Chief Minister Atisi said that the party will ensure the accountability of Bharatiya Janata Party government, assuring the public that UP will play the role of responsible opposition. Atisi said that the party will ensure that every woman receives the said amount and other benefits promised by the BJP. We would like to tell BJP that as they had promised, not only will all Delhiites get free electricity, they will get 300 units of free electricity. All facilities will continue. Government schools will remain good. Free treatment will continue in Mohalla clinics. All treatment will continue in government hospitals. So we will ensure accountability of BJP, whether it is to give Rs 2500 to women of Delhi or continue the work done by Aam Aadmi Party. Atisi added BJP promised that in the first cabinet meeting the scheme of Rs 2500 will be passed and by 8 March Rs 2500 will be deposited in the accounts of all women of Delhi. UP will ensure accountability of the BJP on this and ensure that every woman in Delhi gets this Rs 2500 from the BJP. We will also ensure that the work that UP has done in the last 10 years is not stopped by the BJP. Atisi said the BJP defeated UP in the February 5 polls, returning to power in Delhi after 26 years, winning 48 of the 70 assembly seats. Thank you guys for watching.